So next we discuss the oscillations of bob of a simple pendulum in detail and the various terms related to it. What will happen? Tie a bob with the help of some rigid support. This is a rigid support. Say suppose a wall or any support, so that we can tie this. This position is known as A, this position is C, this position is B, this is the L. What is capital L? Capital L is the length of string, that is wire, and this A is known as mean position. Central position is called mean position, and these two are known as extreme position. Extreme. What will happen? First, when the bob of the simple pendulum is made to oscillate, it will go from A position to C position, come back from C to A position, then go from A to B position, then come back from B to O position. Now what will happen? As I cause a vibration in the bob of the pendulum at the position A, that is the mean position, it go from A to C, come back from C to A, go from A to B, then come from B to A. So these four paths, that is A to C, C to A to B, B to A, this to and fro motion is known as one complete oscillation. Clear that what is one oscillation? This is termed as one oscillation, and this is the topic, that is vibration and the oscillation. And same is given in your activity number 10, that suspend a metallic bob from a rigid support using a thread, move the bob to one side and release it. The bob start moving to and fro about its mean position. In other words, we say that the bob is oscillating. Clear?